Today we are going to talking about an experimental project which using AI agent to generate SolidWorks VBA macro to create the model and provide user portal for the customer to redefine the designs for their products. For example, people want a short table, a low table, and they wanted an IKEA style table. So they gave us a kind of picture. This picture. So this is the IKEA low table. So today I'm gonna create a portal for people to upload the image of this table and create the SolidWorks model file and can export the config file for config portal for the customer to resize it. So if the customer may like a low table, so how low is low? So they may not give us the exactly size of the leg. So I'm gonna create the model and send to the customer, and they can adjust the height of the leg. So and create the new model, so I can make this table for the customer. For this purpose, I create this portal for people to upload the picture of this table. Okay, so I create the test project, choose the sample, and upload the image. Okay, the next step, I'm gonna generate the model for the SolidWorks and the project file for SolidWorks. This step is using the AI agent, but currently I use the big model like Cloud AI. But in the future, for the security issue, we should train in our own AI model just for our products and keep our data safe. But right now I just use the public model. Then the next step, okay, by this step, you can see the projects, the macro scripts project file already create. So this script, including all the dimensions of this table, it capture all the data by AI agent automatically. So by this step, it helped me to save a lot of time to create or draw the model in SolidWorks, because I don't have any experience doing this job. So this is the first time I use SolidWorks. I don't know how to create. So I use the AI model help me to create the model file for the SolidWorks. Okay, next step, I synchronize all the files to SolidWorks. Okay, by this time I get the default parameters like length, width, height, topic, all the parameters exactly like what I the picture showed us. Okay, then I go to the SolidWorks and running this macro file. Now you can see SolidWorks just automatically create this model for me according to the script I create. So I just saved a lot of time to do this thing. Okay. Now let's see this table. Cool. This is the table, and I think almost the same with this one. Although we need to set up the table materials or etc. But let us just skip this step. Okay. The next time, save this model. Okay. Next time, I'm gonna open the driver workers solo and try to open this project file I already created by AI agent. This one. Open it. Then let's see. Do we have? Okay, so we get all the dimensions automatically from the microscope, the lens, the width, height, top. At this moment, the designer actually can use this DriveWorks to set up the table, because the customer wanted short table, short legs. So maybe I could change it, but to the customer, they may not satisfied with the size you changed. So okay, then I try to publish this model. Okay. Now the time I use half automation because I don't have a license for DriveWorks Pro version. If I pay for DriveWorks Pro, I can get an API, so all the steps can be done automatically without any man hand involved. Okay, let me publish it to eDrawing. That's a little bit slow. I use the virtual machine. Okay, it's opened. Okay, now you can see this model. Cool. Okay, I save it. I save it as HTML. Okay, let's go back to my project. By this step, if I try to refresh, okay, cool. My table is here. So by this portal, the customer can see the product's detail and configure all the parameters they like. Look here, the height. So if the customer wants 600, so you can send it and synchronize the parameter. Okay, let's go back to the DriveWorks Solo. Okay, let's open this. You can see the height is 600 now. So let me export the model again. It's getting short. You see, it's short than before. Publish. Okay. 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 Now you can see the compare with these two different picture video. You can see this table is more short. Right? Okay. Let's go back to the user portal. At this time, you refresh it. Okay, the short table come out. Okay, so the customer can change all the parameters you provide to him. All the parameters is related to the model. So I think this is a good way to confirm the requirements with the remote customer and give them a little bit freedom to design their own products. Okay, in the future, maybe we're gonna training our AI model to design to automatically design our SolidWorks model, and also can do all the automate workflow if we get the paid version of DriveWorks Solo Pro. This is my experiment. Actually, we can do a lot.